Deck crane hydraulic oil filter element cleaning. Close valve of hydraulic oil head tank. Loosen the socket screw of the filter element cover. Turn 90 degrees towards the direction of the arrow to stop the flow of the hydraulic oil to the filter. Failure to do so, greater amount of oil will flow out. Loosen the socket screw and remove the cover stopper. Remove the cover and slowly pull out the filter element. Clean the filter element with cleaning oil and compressed air. Check the magnet of oil filter element for metal cut fines to determine the hydraulic oil pump condition. Put back the filter element. During reassembly, make sure not to damage the O-ring. Put back the cover and make sure the position is the same during disassembly. Put back the cover stopper and tighten the socket screw. Turn on to the original direction of the arrow after reassembly. Put back the socket screw of the filter cover and tighten. Open hydraulic oil valve from head tank. Open air vent to purge air out from the hydraulic oil system.